Let's see how to film without the sun. It's difficult, but... So, they put the last rafter on the roof. So, the rafters are finished now. Yeah, I'm still pretty happy what's going on and how they work and what they are doing, so really nice. Ahoy! this was the video about placing the rafters, and this is the last video about the rafters because the last rafter was going in. I think 1.5 week, 1 week, and the roof is done. And then they are here for, I don't know, they have worked 1 month on the roof. So the new roof and the reconstruction of the old roof. The new roof was 10 meters long, and the reconstruction of the old roof was 40 meters long. So a big roof, I think. And it's only a small part of our farm. You will see, you have seen it on the other videos, because this is also a lot of roof tiling and new construction, but that we will do on a later time. For now I will end this video. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe down below and put a thumbs up, and I hope to see you next video. For now, have a nice day, evening, morning, and yes, bye bye.